Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Python string methods. We will try many string functions to understand how they work. Before going to the video, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us. Let's talk about the capitalize function first. The capitalize function is used to convert the first character of a string variable to uppercase. All other characters contain lowercase letters. Let's make an example for the casefold function. The casefold function converts all characters in a string variable to lowercase. Let's take a look at the center function. The center function aligns the specified variable to the center. A character of specified length can be inserted to the right and left of the center-aligned variable. Let's try a different character. You can send different values to the function. Let's take a look at the count function. With the count function, we can find out how many times a string repeats in a variable. The function is case-sensitive. Let's test for a different value. Let's use a different word. Let's take a look at the ends with function. We can use the ends with function to check which character a string object ends with. False and true values are generated by the function. A word check can also be done instead of a single character. We can also send multiple words to the function. Let's take a look at the find function. Indicates the index of the value sent to the find function. Let's test with another value. Code value starts from the 7th index. Let's test with different values. We can also send letters to the function instead of a word. We will see the index of the first value it finds on the console screen. Let's use the find function with different characters. Also, the function is case-sensitive. Let's take a look at the index function. The index function works similarly to the find function. Let's do some tests. The difference between index and find function is the response when a word or letter is given that does not exist in the variable. The index function ends with an error. But the find function ends with -1. Thus, the program does not receive any errors. Let's take a look at the iselnum function. Using the function we can test whether the entire variable is alphanumeric. If the variable contains a number, the function will return false. Let's take a look at the isAlpha function. It uses the same method as the iselnum function. It has no difference with the previous function. Let's take a look at the is decimal function. Checks if the variable is decimal. Let's take a look at the is lower function. Checks if all characters in the string variable are lowercase. Let's take a look at the is upper function. Checks if the characters in all the variable are uppercase. Let's take a look at the replace function. It is used to replace a specific character. Turtle character changed to lion character. Let's take a look at the split function. Separates all the words in the string variable. Then we can access all the words with index method. We can use the methods we learned in previous lessons. Let's take a look at the swap case function. Using the swap case function, we can convert uppercase letters to lowercase and lowercase letters to uppercase. Let's take a look at the title function. Using the title function, we can convert the first letter of all words of the string variable to uppercase. Thanks for watching. Before going to the video, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us.